So in this discussion, we will solve the horizontal deflection at joint C using the unit load method, or this is also called the virtual work method. Now, for the deflection in trusses, our governing formula is F times FV times L divided by AE. Excuse me. Yung mangyayari kasi sa trusses is yung deflection is just like eggshell deformation. But meron lang tong FV. This is for the virtual work. Para lang itong PL over AE. Yan. So first natin gagawin is we have to solve the forces of the following members: AB, AC, and BC. So first, we have our real system. Yan. So for the real system, let's first solve the reactions. So we can just redraw the truss. This is merong hinge dito. We have a roller. This is 4, and then 5, while this is 12. Yan. So, yung triangle pala na AC, yan, this diagonal pala, it has a horizontal distance of 4 plus 5. So, bala, 9. And it has a height of 12. Yan. So, this reduces into, para yung, we can divide both of these by 3. So, 3, this becomes 4. Therefore, this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Yan. But, pwede mo ring hindi na i-reduce, but just get the hypotenuse using these dimensions. So, ano yung square root of 9 squared plus 12 squared? We have 15. Yan na lang, 15. This is so that I can use this for the length column later. And then for this triangle naman, I mean the diagonal BC, we have a horizontal distance of 5 and a height of 12. So yung hypotenuse niya is 13. Yan. And we have here 40 kips. Ibahin na lang natin yung color. Ito na lang. We have 40 kips. Yan. So, solve muna natin yung reactions. We have AY. We also have AX. And then we have BY. So to get AY, I have to take moments about B. Yan. So taking moments about B, we have AY times 4. And then plus 40, this force multiplied by the perpendicular distance, which is 5. So equal yan to 0. So AY is negative 50. So, this is actually acting downward. 50 kips. Yan. So, mali pala yung assumption natin. Change na lang natin yung direction. So, this is downward. 50 kips. Yan. And so, summing up forces vertical, masosolve din natin si BY. So, summation of forces vertical, we have minus 50 plus BY and minus 40. Set natin to 0. BY is 50 plus 40 magiging 90. So this is 90 kips. Yan. So, ito yung table natin, essentially. We have F for the real system, FV, or the forces in the members for the virtual system. We have the length, and then, yan na lang, F, FV, and L. And let's write here the members. We have 3 members, so we first have ano yan? AB, we have BC, we also have AC. Yan. Meron pala tong line dito. Yan. So solve muna natin lahat ng internal forces for the real system. Yan. So, yung AX pala, magiging 0 lang kasi walang horizontal forces. So, let's go to joint A. For joint A, this is the joint at A. We have here AC. This is 9, 12, 15. Yan. And we also have AB. But don't forget the external reaction. So this is 50 going downward. Yan. So to get AC, we can sum up forces vertical. Yan. So summing up forces vertical, we have minus 50 plus AC, this is the vertical component, so 12 divided by 15. So equal yan to 0. So solving AC, this is 50 times 15 over 12. So magiging 62.5. And then tension. Yan. And then to get AB naman, we can sum up forces horizontal. So summing up forces along X, we have AC times ano yan? 9, yan yung horizontal component divided by 15. And then plus AB equals 0. Now, alam na natin si AC. AC is 62.5. So, AB will be minus 62.5 times 9 over 15. So, this is 37.5. And then, since negative yung lumabas, this is compression pala. Yan. And then for ano naman, member BC, we can move to joint B. So we have joint B. So this is B, and we have ano yan, BC. Five, 12, 13. And then we have an external reaction of 90 kips right here. 90. Yan. So to solve BC, we can sum up forces vertical. We can just exclude AB kasi hindi yan kailangan para sa equilibrium equation natin. So we have here BC times the vertical component, 12, divided by the hypotenuse, so 13. And then plus 90 equal yan to 0. So BC pala is negative 90. Move natin yan sa right side. And then change the sign times reciprocal of this. So 13 over 12. So this is minus 97.5 compression. So box din natin. And then itong mga forces ng members, lagay natin sa column. So for AB, the force is minus 37.5. For BC naman, minus 97.5. And then for AC, 62.5. Positive. And then for the lengths, yung length ng member AB is 4 meters. 4 feet pala. Naka-feet pala yan. So 4 feet, while AC is ano yan, 15, 'di ba? Kasi yan yung hypotenuse. And then BC naman is 13. Yan. So what's left is the forces in the virtual system. So for the virtual system, ito yung gagawin mo. 'Di ba? We want the horizontal deflection at joint C. So for the virtual system, apply a unit load that's acting horizontally dito sa joint C. Now you can assume that to move to the right or to the left. Depende na yan sa'yo. Kasi if you have the wrong assumption, magiging negative lang din yung result mo. So let's copy this again, yung truss natin. But let's solve the forces in the virtual system. So this is for the virtual system. Yan. And so magbabago din yung reactions natin. Yan. So again, we want the horizontal deflection at C. So apply tayo ng unit load at joint C, which is horizontal. So sabihin natin 1. Ito yung unit load. So yung assumption ko dito is toward the right yung deflection at joint C. Yan. So summing up forces horizontal, we have AX and then plus 1 equals 0. So AX pala is negative 1. Therefore, this is going to the left. So mali pala yung assumption ko. So change ko na lang yan. This is going to the left. Yan. And then, it is equal to 1. And then for AY and BY naman, I have to take moments about B to get AY. So, summation of moments about B equals 0. I have AY times 4, this one, times the moment arm. And then, this also causes a clockwise rotation about B. So, plus 1 multiplied by moment arm na 12. So, equal yan to 0. Therefore, AY is 4x plus 12 equals 0. We have negative 3. Yan na lang, 3 na lang. Huwag mo na lagyan ng units kasi this is our virtual system. So this is ano pala, going downward. Yan. So change na lang din natin yung arrows. This is downward, so magnitude is 3. While BY must be equal to 3 upward to oppose negative 3. Yan. So next, isosolve na natin yung reactions, yung internal forces ng members due to the unit load. Saglit lang. So, continue tayo. Dito tayo ulit sa joint A. Now, copy ko na lang yan. And then, change ko na lang yung forces. Kasi sa virtual system, at joint A, this is 3 kips. Yan. And we have 1 dito. 1 kip. Yan. So, to get AC, I can still sum up forces vertical. So, meron tayong minus 3 plus AC times 12 over 15 equal yan to 0. So, AC is 3 times 15 over 12 tension, which is 3.75. Ito na lang, 3.75. And then to get AB, I need to sum up forces horizontal. So we have minus 1 since that's going to the left, and then plus AC times 9 over 15 and then plus AB. So equal yan to 0. So alam na natin si AC, this is 3.75. Yan. So masosolve na natin yung AB. So AB is positive 1 minus 3.75 times 9 over 15. So we have minus 1.25 compression. Yan. And then for ano naman, BC, for the force in BC, let me just copy this. And then change na lang natin yung force. So instead of 90, magiging 3. So this is 3 kips. Palitan din natin to. Therefore, BC is, for the virtual system, minus 3 times 13 over 12. So magiging minus 3.25 compression. Yan. So, sulat na natin yung internal forces dito sa table natin. So, for member AB, we have minus 1.25. And then for BC naman, minus 3.25. And then yung AC is 3.75 tension. Yan. So, let's make another table for F times FV multiplied by L. And then we will just divide this by the area times the modulus of elasticity to get the deflection. So, ano yan? For the first row, minus 37.5 times minus 1.25 times L, that's 4. So this is 187.5. Yan. By the way, yung length natin is in feet. Yan. Now for the next row, minus 97.5 times minus 3.25 times 13. So 4119.375. And then for the last row, 62.5 times 3.75 times 15. So magiging 3515.625. Yan. So sum up natin yan lahat. This becomes 187.5 plus 4119.375 plus 3515.625. So we have 7822.5. Now, ano yung unit? The unit of the force is, diba, naka-kips. But FV is unitless kasi that's for the virtual system. And then yung length is in feet. So this is ano pala? Kips times foot. Yan. So we have to divide this by AE to get the deflection. So the deformation is, this is for the horizontal movement ng joint C. So let's label this as delta C H, movement ng C horizontally. So we have 7822.5 kips foot. Divide natin by AE. Area is 6 inches squared. So 6 inches squared, and then E is 10,000 KSI. So times 10,000 kips per inches squared. Yan. So magka-cancel yung K. Yan, magka-cancel din yung inches squared. But we are left with feet. But we want the deflection in inches. So we have to convert this into inches. So diba for 1 foot merong 12 inches. Yan. So solve natin. Yung horizontal movement pala at C is 7822.5 times 12 divided by 6 times 10,000. So 10E3. Yan. So magiging 1.5645. This is inches. And then since positive yung result, yung movement pala na inassume natin, which is, ano yung movement? We assumed it to be going to the right. So, tama pala yung assumption. So, this is going to the right. Yan. Now, double check ko lang dito. For a while. Ano na lang, model na lang natin dito. Short method. Wala talaga. Ito talaga yung method. Virtual work talaga. Pwedeng Castellanos, but it's still tedious. Nako, not responding. Check natin Ano yung sagot natin? 1.5645. So, plus ano yan? 0, 0 and then 4. Dito. Yan. Change muna natin yung settings. Length, gawin natin feet. Cross-sectional area, gawin natin inches squared. E is KSI. Force is, ano yan, kips. Moment of inertia, although hindi kailangan, gawin na lang din natin inches to the fourth. And unit weight is kips per feet cube. Displacement, gawin natin inches. Yan. So, saan yung back? Ito pala. So, medyo may nagbago. Remove na lang natin. delete. Yan. So, sana yun? 0, 0. And then, dito sa 4. And then, at 9, we have a height of 12. 9. Saan yung 12? Yan, 12. So, connect natin yung members. We have to add truss elements. So, gawa tayo ng member section. So, go here, member sections, plus, this is our truss element. In KSI, we have 10,000. Yan. And then, moment of inertia is, di yan kailangan, gawin na lang natin 1. And then, the area is 6 inches squared. Yan. Ano to? SWFEA 2D frame. Available yan sa Android devices. So, 6. Yan. Create. And then, add natin yung elements. We have 3 members. We have a hinge here and a roller at B. Yan. So, palitan natin yung sections. Gawin natin truss element lahat. Yan. And then, merong 40 kips applied at C, which is acting vertical. So, nodal point load, apply natin dito. So, this is 40. Yan. So, ito na yung forces. 62.5, 37.5, and 97.5. So, ito yung kanina. Yung forces natin. Yan. Compression, compression, tension. Tama ba lahat? Double check na lang natin. AB is minus 37.5. AC is 62.5. Tama. Yan. So, check natin yung DX. Ito yung deformations niya. Diba, meron tayong DX, meron tayong DY. Yung DX, yan yung horizontal displacement. So, makikita natin 1.569, which is the same lang dito. Now, merong discrepancy yan kasi this solves using finite element analysis. But if you are to make change natin daw yung dito sa settings for the displacement, gawin natin 5 decimals. Yan. So 1.569 talaga dito. But essentially, malapit lang yan sa sagot natin. So this is correct na. Yan. So, to check the forces, para sa virtual system naman, you can remove the load. Ay, sorry. Natanggal lahat. Ano yun? 9, 12. Yan. So, lagay daw natin yung 1 dito. So, unit load natin is 1. This is acting to the right, so input 180. Tama ba? 90 plus 90 to the right, yan. So, check natin. 1.25 compression, yan, AB. And then, 3.75 tension, yung AC. And BC is minus 3.25 compression. So, you can use this app to check the forces para sa virtual system and the real system para mas madali yung pag-construct mo ng table saka, yung column values. Yan. So, yan lang muna mga Lodi. Salamat. Lagay ko ulit. Yan. Again, yung dx is this is the deflection. If positive yan, that means going to the right. If negative, going to the left. Yung dy naman, yan yung vertical displacement. If negative, meaning downward. If positive, meaning going upward. Yan. Double check ko lang yung values. Tama. Ito talaga. Yan. So, ano din, tip ko din, for structural theory, usually yung ginagamit is book ni Kasimali. So, andito yan. Saan ko yan na-save? Downloads. Ito yata. Yan. So, ito yung solution manual. And ito naman yung book. So, check natin. Baka andito yan. Saan yung trust dito? Andito yata yan. This is indeterminate. Hanapin natin. Ano na lang, virtual work. Principle of virtual work 278. 282. Deflection of trusses by virtual work. Ito. Example pala yan. So, tama. 1.56. Yan. 1.56 din. Ginawa dito is kinonvert beforehand yung length. So, upload ko na lang yung PDF nito sa page natin.